class 1. It's your science book, Inspiring Science 1. Chapter number 14, Weather, and page number 79. Weather is outdoor condition like how hot, cloudy, rainy, cold, and windy it is outside. Weather keeps on changing. Sometime it also change many time in a single day. There are mostly hot days in summer, rainy days in rainy season, and cold days during the winter season. Every season is very necessary. We should enjoy and try to keep ourselves comfortable in every season. Firstly, we will discuss about the hot days. In hot days, sun shines brightly. We feel warm and sweat a lot. To keep cool, we wear light cotton clothes. Some people wear dark glasses. We like to sit in a cool room or under the shade of a tree. We feel thirsty and drink plenty of water. We like to drink cold drink and eat ice cream. People enjoy going to beach for a swimming. In air, there are hot and sunny days for some months. This is called summer season. Our next topic is cloudy days. Sometime there are clouds in the sky. As you can see, these are the clouds. The sun hide behind the clouds. As you can see, the sun hide behind the clouds. And we say that the weather is cloudy. This is the cloudy weather. Cloudy days are cooler than the summer days. As you can see, this girl is enjoying the cloudy weather. Basically, it's a pleasant weather. Next is rainy days. There are rainy days for a few months in a year. These months are called the rainy season. The weather is cloudy and wet. As you all know that rain comes from the clouds and rain makes the weather wet. As you can see, it's a wet weather. It rains a lot during these days. Sometimes we hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. Sometimes we also see a rainbow after the rain. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas to stay dry. As you can see, this girl is wearing a raincoat and the boy is using umbrella in the rainy season. Next is cold days. On a cold day, the wind is cold. We try to stay warm by wearing woolen clothes. As you can see, these all kids and people wearing woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. We cover ourselves with a blanket or stay close to the fire. As you can see, these people close to the fire. We like to drink hot milk or soup. As you can see, this boy is enjoying hot milk. There are cold days for a few months in a year. This is called the winter season. Nowadays it's winter season, so we should keep ourselves warm. Our next topic is windy days. Strong wind blow on a windy day. It blows away the leaves. As you can see, all the leaves are blowing because of wind. So in windy days, weather is usually cool and sometimes trees fall down. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1. People enjoy going to the beach on a dash day. And the options are rainy or hot. It is very obvious that the sun shines brightly on a hot day and we feel warm and sweat a lot. So we should prefer to go on the beach in summer season or hot days. So people enjoy going to the beach on a hot day. Number 2, cloudy days are mostly dash and the options are cool or hot. As we have already discussed that sometimes there are clouds in the sky and the weather is cloudy. So cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. So we will write here, cloudy days are mostly cool. Number 3, in winter we wear dash clothes. And the options are cotton or woolen. As you can see, it's a winter season and everyone is wearing woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. So here we will write, in winter we wear woolen clothes. Number 4, we like to sit under dash trees in summer. And the options are thin and shady. As you know that it's very hot in sunny days, so we like to sit in a cool room or under the shady trees. So here we will write, we like to sit under the shady trees in summer. Number 5, on a cold day, we like to drink hot dash. And the options are soup or ice cream. As you know that ice cream is cool and soup is hot. So in winter season, we will like to take soup because it's very hot and we enjoying it in the cold days. So on a cold day we like to drink hot soup. Number 6, strong wind blows on a dash day and the options are windy or hot. So as you know that strong wind blows on a windy days, not hot days. As you can see, it's a windy day and sometimes trees fall down because of strong wind. So here we will write windy. Strong wind blows on a windy day. Number 7, the cold months of a year are called the dash season. And the options are summer and winter. There are cold days for a few months in a year. This is called the winter season. So here we will write winter. The cold months of a year are called the winter season. Exercise B, cross the odd one out. Odd one out mean which is not same. Number 1, in this picture you can see a cup of tea, a glass of milk. Both things are hot, so these are the same things, and ice cream is cold. It is odd one, so we will cross it. Number 2, a cloud with thunder and it's a raining. So these are the same situations, and in this picture you can see a boy is on the beach and it's a sunny weather. So we will cross it and it is odd one. Number 3, here you can see a boy is having umbrella. It's a rainy season and this boy is facing the sunny day and wearing light cotton clothes, and in this picture this boy is playing with paper boat in a rainy season. So these two situations are the same and this is the odd situation, so we will cross it. Number 4, in this picture you can see a coat, a sweater and a t-shirt. As you know, we wear these two things in the winter, so these two things are same, and the t-shirt we wear in normally in the sunny season or summer season. So it is odd one and we will cross it. Number 5, here you can see these are the wet clothes and drying in the air, and leaves are blowing because of wind. So these two situations are the same, and in this situation a man is facing hot weather and wearing glasses. So these situations are the same and it is the odd one and we will cross it. Now we will do the question answers of this chapter. Answer these questions in short. Question number 1, what type of clothes do you wear in summer? As you know that in hot summer days sun shines brightly and we feel warm and sweat a lot. So to keep cool we wear warm light cotton clothes. So here we can write it as that we wear light cotton clothes in the summer season. Question number 2, what do you like to eat in summer? As you know that in summer sun shines brightly and we feel very hot. So we like to eat or drink cold things. So now you will tell me what are the things? So we can write it as that we like to eat ice cream in the summer season. Number 3, describe a cloudy day. As we have already discussed that sometime there are clouds in the sky, the sun hides behind the clouds and we say that the weather is cloudy. Cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. So we can write it as that a cloudy day is when there is a cloud in a sky. Number 4, how do you protect yourself from the rain? As you can see in this picture that it's a rainy season and this girl is wearing a raincoat and this boy is having a umbrella to save or to protect themselves from the rain. So here we can write it as that we use raincoats and umbrella to protect ourselves from the rain. Number 5, question number 5, what are the 3 main seasons? Now you people tell me what are these seasons we have already discussed. Yes, these are summer, winter and spring. Now I will go through these question answers again. Question number 1. What type of clothes do you wear in summer? We wear light cotton clothes. Question number 2. What do you like to eat in the summer? We like to eat ice cream. Number 3. Describe a cloudy day. When there are clouds in the sky, it's a cloudy day. Question number 4. How do you protect yourself from the rain? To use an umbrella or raincoat. Question number 5. What are the 3 main seasons? And they are summer, winter and spring.